How to fix DNS Server Not Responding issue on Windows 11. 1. Disable third-party antivirus. 2. Flush your DNS as admin. Commands are: IP protocol configuration / flushins IP protocol configuration / registeredins IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / renew netshare winsock reset. 3. Change the DNS on your Windows PC. 4. Update all your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. And update your Windows as well. 5. Run your Windows in its clean boot. Plan B, run your computer in Windows Safe mode with networking.